Alright, so here's my working crew, and they are rocking and rolling. We're just dancing in the basement like a bunch of hippies. Anyway, what you girls up to? Nothing. I ain't paying you to do nothing. Hey. I'm not trying to be rude, but get your nice boots out of that dirty clay.
And I'm the best played in clay.
Alright, so anyway, I was going to show people like you guys like throwing gravel because you guys were doing pretty good, and now we were just kind of dancing in the dirt.
And now we are
dancing in the dirt like a, what do you think you are, like a country singer or something? I'm going to drop you off at the Puyallup Fair if you're just going to dance in the dirt. Let's go, guys. Work. Teamwork makes the dream work.
And we'll see you later.
Or as, like I always say, work as a team or you get no ice cream.
You get no rotten trees.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there's some good gravel. Good job, Rube. She likes to move it. All right, here we are. Looks like you guys are playing like a real game of Minecraft.
You ready for an avalanche?
Oh, we got some music up there. I don't quite hear it. You might need to hit power again, buddy. There we go. A little musica.
Hi, Reagan.
I think he's coming down here. He just turned music on. Come on.
Reagan.
There you go. Good job, Ruby. You guys are hard workers. Good job, girlies.
I want from dusk to dawn.
Dusk to dawn. Wow. Good job, Ruby. Good job, Lainey. Oh, there's some teamwork. That's what I like. Atta girl. All right. Should people stay sweet, girls?
Yeah.
All right. Stay sweet, peeps. All right. Until next time. Bye.